Wow.
Hey guys, for today's video, we are going to cook a chicken apritada. So, get ready for the only rice. First, fry potatoes, but not cooked through. Ayan, syempre, hindi pa mainit. Nahiwa ako. Be careful, guys. Ayan, there you go. Slide. Not cooked through. Okay, slide lang po. Then, set aside. Add garlic. Onion. Add tomatoes. Then let's add the chicken. Mix it well. Mix daw, you know. Add soy sauce. Tomato paste. Yan ang secret. Pepper. Add some water. And the vegetables. Papa yung veggie na. Magic. Pag the capsicum. Then this. Optional lang. If you don't have, it's okay. Wow. Then and serve. Follow for more.